Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make macarons using the Italian method. This technique involves creating a stable meringue with hot sugar syrup, which often leads to more consistent and robust macaron shells. We will cover the precise steps, from preparing your ingredients to achieving that perfect foot. Get ready to master this rewarding baking challenge with confidence and precision. The heart of Italian macarons is the meringue. Begin by heating your sugar and water mixture to exactly 118 degrees Celsius. While that's heating, start whipping your egg whites to soft peaks. Once the syrup reaches temperature, slowly pour it into the whipping egg whites in a steady stream. Continue whipping until the meringue is thick, glossy, and forms firm, upright peaks, indicating it's perfectly stable. Now comes the crucial macaronage step. Carefully fold your sifted dry ingredients into the Italian meringue. The goal is to achieve the perfect consistency, where the batter flows off your spatula in a continuous ribbon, slowly reabsorbing into itself within about 20 seconds. This ribbon stage is vital for proper texture. Then, pipe consistent, round shells, approximately 1.5 inches wide, onto your prepared baking surface. After piping, let your macaron shells rest at room temperature for about 30 to 60 minutes. This crucial step allows a skin to form, which helps prevent cracking and encourages the development of the characteristic foot. Bake them in a preheated oven at 140 to 150 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. Once baked, let them cool completely on the tray before attempting to remove them, ensuring they set properly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.